In the heart of our production floor, power takes shape. This is where the KAMAX K2R is born, a dirt bike crafted not just for the ride, but for riders who live for the wild. From raw materials to roaring machines, every frame tells a story of precision, strength, and innovation. Available in both 250 cubic centimeters and 300 cubic centimeters, 2-stroke or 4-stroke, this is performance, tailored to your terrain. At KAMAX, we don't just build bikes, we engineer thrill. The K2R's aggressive frame, pro-grade suspension, and lightweight chassis are designed for riders who push the limits in the track, through the forest, or across the desert. Our production lines reflect our global vision, with 3 advanced factories powering OEM and ODM capabilities for clients around the world. Whether you're building your own brand or expanding a fleet, we provide EEC and EPA certified solutions ready for market. Every K2R is more than a machine. It's a promise to dealers, to riders, and to the spirit of off-road freedom. Join the ride. Lead the way. KAMAX K2R, where passion meets performance.